Welcome to our Evita classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about the tropical rainforest. Okay. So previous class we have discussed about the polar region and we have also discussed about the polar bear and the penguins. Okay. Now it's time for the discussion of the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest means the region where is generally hot climate. Okay. Generally hot climate is called a tropical rainforest of its location around the equator. Even the coldest month of the temperature is generally higher than the 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, cooler time in region is higher than 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Day and night are almost equal in the length of throughout the year. Day and night they both are same throughout the year. Okay, these regions get plenty of rainfall. These regions will get plenty of rainfall. All the important feature of these regions is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghat and Assam in India, Southern Asia, Central America and Central Africa. It is very important, student, which I am putting underline. You have to write down. Okay. So Assam, Western Ghat in India, Southwest Asia, that is Central America and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, the region support wide variety of plants and animals. Because here equal amount of the temperature means cool and warm they will get. So here wide variety of plants and animals we will found. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkey, apes, gorilla, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds and insects. Why students will get these many types of different plants and animals? Because the environment, the climate is too suitable for the each and every animals and plants. Okay, let us read about the adaptation of these animals to a hot and humid climate. The climatic conditions of rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number of variety of animals. Okay, since the number of large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on the tree. Red-eyed frog, which you can see, students, that is has developed sticky pads on its feet to help in climb the tree on which it lives. Okay, red cleaved feet. Okay, red sticky pad. You can see the how the feet of the red frog. Okay, you can see it is totally looks like a leaf. Understood? So its feet will help to stick and help to climb a tree on which it lives. Clear? To help them live on a tree, monkeys have long tail. Monkeys, you can see it is one type of monkeys which have long tail and grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on the branches. Okay, and how their body structure, it will help them to easy to hold the branches. Okay, as there is a competition of for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. Okay, many different kinds of animals are there, so competition will be happen. It is definitely because different kinds of animals are living in one place, so for food competition will be going on. So a striking example that are the birds toucana, which possesses a long large beak. I can see that is toucana. You can see, student, in this image you can see long and large beak are there, that is called toucana. Okay, toucan, okay, sorry, toucan. Okay, toucan, which possesses a long large beak. This helps to toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak and to support its weight. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight and a thick skin and skin color which help them to camouflage by blending with their surrounding. Okay, means how their body structure are made, it will help to adapt their different to this surrounding. Okay, and they also adapt to their this climate. This is to protect them from the predators. Okay, how their body structure made, it will help them to protect from their predators. Okay, predators. For example, students, big cat. You can see big cat, student. Here you can see big cat or lion or tiger has thick skin and sensitive hearing. The lion-tailed macaw, also called that beard ape, lives in the rainforest Western Ghat. Its most outstanding feature is the silver white man. Okay, you can see silver white man. This is called lion-tailed macaw. Okay, macaw. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, and stems, flowers, and buds. This beard ape also search for insect under the bark of the tree. Okay, they will search the food insect under the bark of the tree, and these are called food for them. Since it is able to get sufficient food on tree, it rarely comes down on the ground. Okay, very sometimes it will come down to the from the plant. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is called elephant. Okay, elephant, everybody know about the elephant. It is another well-known animal in our tropical rainforest. It has adapted to the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Look at this trunk. You can see this is the trunk of a elephant. Use its nose because which it has a strong sense of smell. Okay, its nose is very strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by the picking of a food. Moreover, its tusks are modified to teeth. The tusk is modified to teeth. You can see there are two teeth, that is tusk is modified to teeth. Okay, these can tear the bark of a tree that helps loves to eat. Okay, whatever they want, they can tear the bark of the plant with the help of their tusk or teeth. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ear of the elephants helps to hear even very soft sound. They also help the elephant to keep the cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Okay, so this is the feature of elephant. This nose are very strong sense, and the teeth will be help us to tear the bark which he loves to eat, and the very large ear which helps to keep the body cool, as well as it will give a sharp hearing power to that elephant. Okay, students, so this is all about our tropical rainforest. Now I will provide you short notes which I made. I hope it will help you. It is very important point I written, which is very main gist point. Don't write only this, you go through the books and follow also this. Okay, tropical rainforest: India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, okay, Uganda and Nigeria. Polar bear we can find they have the thick layer fur and layer of fat under the skin. India is one of the destination of many birds, I told you. So this is all about, students, our tropical rainforest. Okay, students, here important point is, students, the tropical rainforest we can found the Western Ghat and Assam in India, Southern Asia, the Central America and Central Africa, and which are animals we can found also red-eyed frog and a New World monkey, and different kinds of other toucan birds, lion-tailed macaw, and that is called elephant. These animals we can found a variety or large variety in this habitat. Okay, or we can say in our tropical rainforest. So thank you students, I hope all of you understood. So next class we will discuss the next chapter, but student, that summary we have to read and you have to write down from the book, which is very important points. So thank you students, take care.